All right, guys, we got a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis 4.6 liter V8. Got 4 factory converters on it. There and there. Then it's true dualed. Somebody else did the work. He was too loud or too quiet, actually. Had some knockoff Flowmasters on it. We took them off and put some glass packs in their place. There and right there. Then it's got tailpipes there and there. And we fixed it. He hit a pothole, so we put him a sleeve right there too. And then it's got factory 3-inch pipe out the back. I mean, not factory. Aftermarket tips there, 3-inch out the back, right there and right there. We added him new hangers, just fixed it up for him. It was kind of hanging and stuff. There it is. There's the knockoff Flowmasters though. We took off right there. They didn't sound good at all. Now it should sound a lot better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Is that perfect? Those your tailpipes are good, bro. Use them and abuse them. You got another like 3 to 5 years out of them. The only thing I would change is the tips. Again? That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Got that pop to it. I like it. Again? Yeah, it's not bad. You don't like it?
I like it.
All right, cool. If you don't like it, we'll change it.
No, leave that alone. If I get on the interstate, I'm really gonna hear that. Yeah. That's how I want it. I'm going that way.
Man, that sounds sick. I like it. Yeah, it sounds like a machine gun. Old school Grand Marquis, baby. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Mercury Grand Marquis with glass packs. AP glass packs. It's like cherry bombs, but cleaner.